Namaste to all of you. Welcome to our full body yoga stretching session. I am Praveen Kumar, and today we are going to stretch and relax our whole body. Find a comfy support, get your mat ready, and let's stretching together. First of all, from the neck, catch your knees and rotate your neck slowly right to left. Inhale back and exhale forward. Inhale back and exhale forward. Just 3 times and change your side, please. Inhale, exhale forward. Inhale, exhale down. Inhale, exhale down. Now come back center. Both hands up first. Left hand catch your right hand wrist, palm facing up. Inhale and exhale. Move your body, stretch your arms completely. Left side. Come back center. Change. Exhale. Arms should be straight. Then you can feel stretching, the deep stretch. Come back center. Exhale. Slowly down. Inhale. Exhale. Change the side. Change side. Come back. Exhale. Down as much as you can. And also can try couple of breaths. Inhale, exhale, in, exhale, in, exhale. Come back. Change your side, please. In, out, in, out, in and out. Come back. Relax your arms. Catch your knee. Now touch your chin to the right knee and move your body forward. Then left knee, body back. Keep your arms straight. And again right side first. Forward, left. You can touch your belly to the thigh and back. Right side. Stretch, lengthen your spine, forward, left, go back. Now reverse. Your left side, forward, right side, back. Left, exhale, inhale center, and exhale right, back. One more round. Left first, forward, right side, go back. Leg front of you. Relax your legs. First your right leg, bend your knee. Left leg should be straight. Inhale, center. And your right elbow touch on the floor. Make sure you bend your elbow 90 degree. Hand over your head. Look the ceiling. Stretch your both sides. Come back center. And change your side. Look up. Inhale. Exhale your right side. Inhale. Exhale left. For a deep stretch, you can touch your elbow, otherwise you just lean down, no need to touch your elbow. Inhale, exhale, one more round. Inhale, exhale. Come back, center and down. Catch your foot elbow touch on the floor, down forward, touch your chin. Come back again, inhale, exhale, down forward, elbow touch on the floor, inhale, one more round, down forward, elbow on the floor, gently touch your belly to the thigh, elbow on the floor, come back, arms down, leg front of you. Change your leg please. Left leg now. Inhale center, or I can show you from the sidewise. Inhale, exhale, elbow on the floor, 90-degree bending, arm straight. Come back center. Exhale, change your side please. Inhale, exhale, left side. Look at the ceiling. Inhale, exhale, right side. Last one. Inhale, exhale. If you want more deeper, can stay here. Take a couple of breaths. Inhale. This is an option for you. Exhale, right side. Come back. Both hands up. Inhale. Forward fold. Bend your elbow. Elbow touch on the floor. Body down. Touch your chin. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Stretch completely. Then you can feel the relaxed. Inhale. Last one. Exhale. Down forward. Elbow on the floor. Touch your chin. Come back. Both legs front of you. Leg straight. Inhale and exhale. Do not bend like this. Try to touch your belly first and stretch your body forward. Bend your elbows. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. You can try just simple one. Finger touch on the floor. Bend your elbow. Head down as much as you can. Inhale. Last one. And exhale. Down. Come back. Relax arms. From here, come to the cat pose. Focus on the back first. Bend your ankle. Look forward. Inhale. Bending from the middle back, thoracic region. And exhale. Hunch your back. Inhale. Look up. And exhale. Last one. Inhale. Look up please. And exhale. From here, flat your toes, legs little close, and arm forward. See, here you have three options. First, you can touch your palm on the floor and look forward. Second, touch your head on the floor. And third, touch your chin. Also, you can touch your finger like this. Can deep stretch, bend body down. Do not bend your elbow. Elbow should be straight. Do not touch your elbow. Touch your chin. That's fine. Take a 3 deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. In. Stretch your arm muscles. Exhale. In. And exhale. Now come to the cobra. Elbow on the floor and head touch on the floor, please. Inhale. Look forward. Exhale. Elbow close to the body. Feet together. Inhale. Exhale. Head down. One more, last one. Inhale. Stay there. Take a couple of breaths. Exhale. In. Exhale. In. Exhale. And now neck muscle, right side and left. One more, right and left. From here, Parvatasana. Gorjan, your heel touch on the floor, spine straight, and right leg up slowly, leg forward. Same pigeon pose. Make sure your knee and heel in one line, like 90-degree bending, and then elbow on the floor. Try to move your body weight left side, stretch your thigh muscles from both sides. Move, or you can bend your elbow, touch your head on the floor and move it. Stay, take a 3 deep breath. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, in, exhale. Come back. Come to the mountain. Feet together again. Heel touch on the floor. And left leg now. Change your leg forward. Heel touch on the floor. Make sure again same heel and knee one line. Elbow on the floor. Stretch. Move your body weight right side and come back. Move your right side. Try to move your thigh down here like this. Or you can stretch your arms. You can bend your elbow. Both are okay. For deep stretching, you can stretch your arm. Shift your body weight your right side. In, out, in, out, in, out. Now leg front of you and lay down your back. Hand outside. Bend your right knee. Left hand up, catch your knee and twist. Stretch your back muscle. Look your right hand finger. Stretch your neck muscle. Come back. Leg down. Change leg, left leg please. Catch your knee and down. Try to touch. Not possible to stay here. It depends on your flexibility. Come back. Down. Both hands up. Inhale. Stretch your body. Same like Tadasana. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Bend your knees. Turn your body left side and come back. Take little rest here. Then come back. Thank you to watching my video.